Hello, everyone, and welcome to Break 3020 for the 2019 Panini Obsidian football card box. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break, and all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Wednesday, August 12th, 2020. It's 10:38 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:38 p.m. Central Time, and 7:38 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have It's Walt 2 spots, Staple 2, Right On 5, Trist 6, Stowelli 2, Giarvin with 2, Alex with 1, E Grizzly 1, Carol with 1, CR Mag 1, Hot Dog 2, Strictly 1, E Rock 1, Halls of Stuff 1, TI Boy 2, Tony 2. Let's randomize everyone 7 times to determine our team or teams for the break. It's Walt on top. And pick on the bottom once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Staple on top, Stowelli on the bottom. Staple with the Cardinals, Trist with the Falcons, Halls of Stuff Ravens, Giarvin Bills, Strictly Panthers, TI Boy Bears, Stowelli Bengals, Trist Browns, TI Boy Cowboys, CR Mag with the Broncos, Trist Lions, Right On with the Packers, KRL with the Texans, Right On Colts, Staple Jaguars, E-Rock with the Chiefs, Trist Chargers, Right On Rams, It's Walt Dolphins, Right On Vikings, Hot Dog Patriots Saints, Trist Giants, E Grizzly Jets, Giarvin Raiders. We have Alex with the Eagles, Trist Steelers, Ant Pick 49ers, Right On Seahawks, Ant Pick Buccaneers. It's Walt Titans, and Stowelli, last but not least, with the Redskins. All right. Good luck, everybody. Again, all 7 cards will ship. Good luck. And whichever team is on each card, that's where the card will go. I do have the basketball Obsidian as well. Okay. Get you out of here. Free the pack. There we go. All right, good luck, everybody. Alright, first up, so we'll go through the box and then go back through and highlight our winners. Marquise Brown, rookie for the Ravens. And that is 82 out of 125. One down, 6 to go. We have Alexander Mattison, Vikings. Rookie auto out of 75. 75 out of 75. Very nice for the Minnesota Vikings. Okay. 2 down, 5 to go. We have a rookie eruption. Come on, camera. Rookie eruption. San Francisco 49ers jersey for Deebo Samuel. And that is number 49 out of 100. Player worn material for the San Francisco Giants. 49ers, excuse me. Alrighty. So again, we'll go through the box here and then go back through and highlight our winners. Alright, who's next? We have another Viking. We have rookie eruption. Irv Smith Jr. Another worn jersey. And that is 10 out of 50. So Minnesota Vikings double dip in here. And break 30-20. Two for you Vikings. Alright, who's next? Zeke Auto. Jersey auto for the Dallas Cowboys. Ezekiel Elliott. Matrix Material auto. Very nice. And that is 3 out of 25 for Zeke and the Dallas Cowboys. Very nice for the Cowboys. All right. And we have Quinnen Williams, a rookie for the New York Jets. 13 out of 75 for the New York Jets. And last but not least, we have Dan Marino. Dan Marino and the Miami Dolphins. 12 out of 50. Sweet. Let's go back through now and see who is getting what. So far, we do know that there are 2 Vikings. Alrighty. Let's just go right back with the Marino. And the Miami Dolphins going to Itwalt _90. Congrats. Let's see who our lucky Vikings are. The Minnesota Vikings will be right on _48. Congrats. Then we have the Baltimore Ravens. There we go. Baltimore Ravens, Halls of Stuff. Congrats. Quinnen Williams, rookie Jets. The New York Jets, E Grizzly 3. Congrats, E Grizzly 3. San Francisco 49ers. San Fran going Ant Pick 85. Congrats. And last but not least, the Matrix Material Auto for Zeke out of 25 is going to the Dallas Cowboys, and the Dallas Cowboys is going to T.I. Boy 4. Congrats, and thank you everyone for joining break 3020. That was the 2019 Panini Obsidian football card box. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break, and all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot, and then we're on a break 3024 for the 2020 Gold Rush Multi-Sport Vault Pack. Thanks!